Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, we will be learning how we can download photos from the Instagram app in 2024. So without any delay, let's begin. First of all, you have to open Instagram app from your mobile device. And once you have opened the Instagram app from your mobile device, find the post which you wanna download. After you found the post, simply click on the arrow option which denotes the share option. From there, click on the option saying copy link, and from here you have to close your Instagram app and simply open a browser which you trust. From your browser, search for a website called Save Insta. Click on the first link you see, and this website will allow you to download videos, photos, reels, stories and IGTV from Instagram. So in this text box, you have to paste the link of the photos which you want to download. And from here, click on the option saying download. And from here, you can see the photos which you want to download from Instagram. Now tap on the download image of which image you want to download. For example, if I want to download this image, I will click on download image. And as you can see, the downloading has already completed as well. So when you open it, you will see the photos. It has been downloaded in your mobile device. So this was it guys. If you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.